Greetings, I'm Gena, and I'm a clinical social worker, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience-informed life coach, social justice advocate, and racial healing practitioner. I invite you to come relax with me on my blue couch, where I share tips and tricks to add to your very own self-healing toolbox to help regulate, balance, and calm your mind, body, and spirit. Come on and have a seat on the blue couch. Greetings and hello to you. Let's see what we have in our toolbox, in our healing toolbox today. Oh, we're going to do tapping. We are going to tap out the inner critic. And so the first thing we want to do is get a general assessment of how we feel. From 1 to 10, what is our level of discomfort around having this inner critic? In other words, how much does it bother me? Okay, so you got your number. Make note of that number. The first thing you want to do is take one of your hands and you want to tap on the outer fatty part of your hand, right where you would do a karate chop. And you do your setup statement by saying, even though my negative thoughts cause stress and worry, I have compassion toward myself. I am stuck and don't know what to do. I assume the worst. I worry about small things. I even worry if people like me or not. I tend not to be present with others because I'm always in my head. I read other people's minds and try to guess what they are thinking. I don't think I'll ever be in a healthy relationship. And I think about the worst case scenario. I always seem to expect the worst will happen. And I wait for that other shoe to drop. And most times, I'm always on guard. And nothing ever seems to satisfy me. I have difficulty making good decisions. And everyone seems to have a better life than me. Everyone seems to have a more fulfilling life. So what is wrong with me? I'm so afraid that my life won't get better. Most times, I feel like a failure. It seems impossible to think better thoughts. I'm afraid that this technique won't work for me. I think I'm way too far gone. I don't think I can ever recover. I wish that I was not broken. Oh, I'd rather be alone to avoid the pressure. I'm always disappointed by people. And I'm never chosen by other people. I'm left out and not included. Now take some deep breaths and get a sense of how you feel. Just let it all out. And measure your discomfort again from 1 through 10. And compare that number with the first number. You got it? Good. Okay, here we go. Round number 2. And so we're going to tap that outer part of our hand again. And even though my negative thoughts cause stress and worry, I have compassion toward myself. Yes, I am free. I assume the best in myself and in others. I let go of worry. I am likable for my own unique qualities. I stay present with others, and I'm aware of what is going on. I let go of reading other people's minds. A healthy relationship is on its way now. I have allowed those possibilities to come into my life, and I focus on the best case scenario. I expect that things always work out for me, and I look forward to good experiences in my life. I am no longer on guard. I spend time in gratitude for what I have. I have good judgment and clear insight. My life is good and my life is fulfilled. Nothing is wrong with me. Every day, my life is getting better and better. I deserve success. I am learning to reframe my thoughts. And you know what? This technique does work for me with practice. There is always hope for me. I can recover and move on. I am not broken. I can find something to enjoy with others. Yes, breathe in. I am whole, I am perfect, and I am complete. Now go ahead and reassess how you feel from 1 to 10. 1 means that you don't have any feelings or symptoms or stress at all, and 10 means that you are at your worst. So find that number and see what it's like compared to when you first started. You did a job well done. Take out my favorite blue fan to congratulate myself. Thank you for joining me. And go back and look at this recording again and again and practice. Hey there, so this is a disclaimer. There were moments in which I forgot and overlooked and bypassed certain areas to tap on, but that's okay. I'm not aiming for perfection, and I don't want you to either. The best thing is to just practice tapping every day and every night so that you can feel better. And if the words that I use don't seem to resonate with you, go ahead and substitute them with words that have more meaning for you. It's okay. Just keep tapping. I hope you enjoyed sitting with me on this episode of The Blue Couch. I'm Gena Golden, clinical social worker, integrative psychotherapist, neuroscience-informed life coach, social justice advocate, and racial healing practitioner. My work includes helping to provide restorative healing methods for you to practice and to embody. I'll see you next time. Peace and love.